Hi, my name is Laura Pantleo, and I'm the Solution Specialist with My Epiroc. Today we're going to go over how to log in to My Epiroc. This is subject to change. Once you have been sent an invitation to My Epiroc, check your email. The invitation should be there, and it should be titled Invitation to My Epiroc. Open the email and scroll down. You will see a button that says Create Your Account here. Click that button. After following this link, you will be prompted to choose a password. Here, you should accept cookies, and after entering your password, you can create your account. After creating your account, you'll be asked to log in. Log in using the email address that the invitation was sent to, and the password that you just created. You can select Keep Me Signed In if you'd like. Next, hit Sign In. As this is your first time signing into My Epiroc, you'll be asked to read and accept the terms and conditions. Once you have read through the terms and conditions, select the checkbox stating that you have read and agreed to the end user terms of use. Once doing so, you can hit Continue. Here, you will be asked to insert some information about you. You can enter your display name if it is different than what is showing, and, optionally, your phone number. If all information looks correct, you can go to the next step. On this page, you can decide if you would like to receive all notifications or customize which notifications you receive. Once you have made your decision, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Thank you for watching. For more information or assistance, please contact your customer center or dealer.